Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow.
Jesus Christ!
Next. Next. Oh, good. What do you want? What do you want? What are you doing? God damn it!
Nintendo Deer Hunter 3.
A shit what you want?
I'm on my fucking lunch break, okay?
Are you insane? Are you insane? Are you insane? Management's gonna hear about this.
That's a threat. What the fuck happened to your eye?
So you like to give little kids black eyes, huh? How about you, huh? You want some? Anybody else? Anybody else? Come on. Yeah, there you go.
An eating, drinking, shitting, fucking Santa Claus.
Prove it.
Little Mary.
Keep it going.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You ain't gonna shit right for a week.
Happy New Year.